Hello, I'm Denny Holmes, the Technical Training Manager here at Keystone RV Company. Today we will be showing you Keystone's very own KeyTv system. KeyTv uses straight runs of RG6 coax cable, eliminating the need for boosters and AB switches. KeyTv incorporates auto-sensing technology that distinguishes between over-the-air antenna signal and park cable, meaning that KeyTv will automatically switch over when cable is available. Now let's take a look at the 3 ways that KeyTv works with your RV. Always start by making sure that the blue light at the KeyTv multi-source signal controller is on. While at the multi-source signal controller, make sure there is not an outside cable source hooked to the CATV port, as the antenna channels will not come in if there is. Next, make sure that the cable from the TV is hooked to the plate on the wall behind it and connected to the port that reads CATV/ANT. Turn the TV on and set the source to TV. Next, go to the menu and in the Channels category, select Air. Then perform a auto channel scan. This will need to be done on each TV every time your unit is taken to a new location. Blue light is on. Hook the outside park cable up to the CATV port. Always use RG6 cable and keep the length to a 25-foot maximum. Make sure that the cable hooked to the TV is also hooked to the wall plate port that is labeled CATV/ANT. Turn on the TV and set the source to TV. Next, go to the menu and in the Channels category, select Cable. Then perform an auto channel scan. This will need to be done on each TV every time your unit is taken to a new location. Blue light is on. Hook the portable satellite cable up to the SAT port. Always use RG6 cable and keep the length to a 25-foot maximum. At one of the TV locations, you will need to hook RG6 coax from the wall plate SAT port to the receiver's satellite in location. Then use an HDMI cable to go from the receiver's out location to the TV's HDMI port. Turn on the TV and the receiver. On the TV, select Source, go to the HDMI input that you plugged the receiver into, and follow instructions from the satellite provider at this time. If you have any other questions regarding your KeyTv system, please don't hesitate to contact Keystone Customer Service. We are always happy to help.